Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing two glossy boxes. One is from December and one is from January. So here's the December one. The December one came in a 10, which is super nice. Now I'm pretty sure these all came in this box, but I think I actually got two glossy boxes in December, and I can't really remember, honestly. I don't even remember if I made a video or not, but anyway, in this one we have two Batiste Dry Shampoos, which I love dry shampoo. I try not to wash my hair as long as I can, honestly, because I know that's better for your hair. And then also when I dye my hair, I wash it less because I want the color to last as long as possible, you know? So, dry shampoo is always nice. Then we have a Ritual of Mirror, Energize Your Soul, Loving Body Cream, Sweet Orange, and Cedar Wood. Huh. Oh, it smells so good. I could use some lotion right now. Let's try this out. I did get a lot of lotion for Christmas, so I'm kind of set on lotion. Oh, but this does feel so nice. Oh my gosh. It really feels good. I don't think I have the card that came with this box, unfortunately. It is missing. So I don't know what the value is. It does smell really nice though. I really like this. It's great. Okay, next we have Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So, it's Elemis, and it's a primer moisturizer. I guess it's both. I don't know. Let's take a look. Yeah, it has like a tint to it. That's interesting. I don't know if it has a smell because it's still smelling the lotion. It feels good though. Next, we have a Laroos Brush. It feels pretty soft. It's a little flimsy. It reminds me of a Shop Miss A brush. And if I had to guess, this is probably a pricey brush. I wouldn't pay more than like $1 for it, if I'm honest. Okay. Next we have the LA Splash Cosmetics Moonlit Glow Face Palette, which looks like this. Super pretty packaging. And let's just get some swatches here. There's the swatches. Of course, I put them in such a bad spot. But yeah. Really pretty, a little dark for my skin tone, but I mean, that's not a complaint, honestly. That's fine. I'm glad they went a little darker. The other thing in here is the Ultra Repair Cream, which is the First Aid Beauty. I feel like I talked about this in another video, so I'm not sure if this actually came with this box or a different box. But that being said, I will say I'm not a huge fan of this. I don't like how it smells. It has like an unscented smell, and then there's a hint of like a scent, and I think it's like grapefruit or something. It's not good. So that's the December glossy box, as far as I remember at least. I do really like the 10. The 10 is really, really pretty. It's super pretty. So, the 10 is nice. Alright, next we have this month's glossy box, which, you know, came all cute. My lord, it was hard to open up. Okay. Oh, there's a rolly thingy in here. Okay. Oh my god, this feels really, really good. What? Wait, I know people say this feels good. I always find it so silly when people are doing this. It actually really does. That feels... Oh my gosh. That feels so good. It's a black marble facial roller. Penetrates into skin to reduce appearance of puffiness around the eyes and skin inflammation. I mean, I don't know if it really does all that, but I will say that it feels good. And I could do this all day. Oh my gosh, this just makes me happy. And my face was feeling really hot, so now it feels nice and cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, seriously, I know people think this stuff feels good and they're always talking about how good it feels, but holy cow. Wow. I think my life is gonna change by that day. Okay. Next, it looks like we have Julep Love Your Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths. Honestly, I'm not gonna open these. I only use cleansing cloths when I'm filming videos or doing my makeup to like brush away the fallout and stuff. And right now I already have a package of ColourPop wipes open, so I'm gonna hang on to these and we will open them when we open them. That's just gonna be the way it is. Okay. Next is the Daydreamer Your Dream Cleanser Come True, and it's just a cleanser. That's all. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this puppy sealed for now because I already have the 2 cleansers that I'm using right now. This is Philip Kinsling Bond Builder Split End Remedy. Okay, like I could get down with this. Looks like that. I have lots of split ends, so that works. Oh, here's this one too. Sorry, I feel like I'm kind of rushing. I'm so sorry. Okay. Ooh, a moisturizing foot mask. This is exciting. I'm going to use this tomorrow. Yes. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks like you wear these socks for 15 minutes and then you take them off and voila, you have new feet. I'm excited for this. My feet are in really bad shape right now. Invisible. Oh, this is a Bun Maker, I guess. Bunster. It says Bunster. Not gonna lie, this looks really complicated. Oh, I see. Okay, so I don't know, let's try it. So you have, just need one. They're tangled. Okay, so you take your hair, which I have a lot of, and you twist it, which you can't see what I'm doing because, of course, I'm zoomed in too much. Anyway, then you twist it into a bun, and then you twist this thing into the bun, and it's supposed to hold, which I have my doubts. Okay, it's kind of holding. I don't know. Yeah, see, I don't know what it looks like, so I don't know. It's kind of holding, but it doesn't feel very secure. But hey, you know, I guess for a quick bun, it's fine. Okay, here is a brightening serum. it's tiny. So, I don't know. I have a lot of serums I'm trying right now, so it'll go into my to be reviewed drawer, but I don't know when I'm gonna review it. Okay, and that is all. As far as what I'm excited about from this box, I'm excited about this thing, which is very odd, because I thought these were so dumb, but now that I have one, which by the way I don't think I ever showed you close up, I'm really excited about this. This is nice. Yes, absolutely. And I'm excited about the split end treatment. So, yes. And then I'm excited about the foot mask. So, I'm also excited about this bun thing, actually. I think if my hair was brushed, I'd have a little bit better luck. But, honestly, not bad. It held it pretty well. I really can't complain. I think it's a good product, and that's what it looks like. The Bun Maker. So, okay. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4 products out of 6 that I would use and am excited to use. Oh, I am excited about the makeup wipes too, so I guess that's 5 out of 7. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is my unboxing of Glossy Box, and hopefully next month we'll have some reviews of some of this stuff, but yes, that is going to be it for me for now. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, it's Jessica, and welcome. I'm going to go ahead and review what's in my review drawer when I think to do it, which I thought to do it, so we're just going to go ahead and do it. So, yeah, let's just start with this guy right here. This is the Garlactic Rose Oil Lip Gloss. I love this. I use this every single time I'm getting ready. Normally I use it to like prep my lips for lip product, but today I actually have it on top of my lip product. So I do really like it. The rose scent is very light. It's not too heavy, and it has like a honey scent with the rose scent. So it smells like rose and honey, not just roses. I would rate it like, it is sticky, so like if your hair gets in it, like it's gonna stick. See, like it's gonna stick. So I would give it probably like an 8 out of 10. I do really like it. Okay, the By Terry Hydronic Hydra Primer. I think I'm going to send this to one of my friends, because for me at least, this burned my skin. Like, it made my skin super red, and it made it hurt, like kind of sting, like if you're out in the cold for too long or something. That's what this made me feel like, and it was the only thing I had done differently on my makeup, so I know it was this, and it just wasn't the greatest experience, honestly. So I'm passing on this. This is that primer by Terry, and it's the Hydronic Hydra Primer. It's a no-go for me. I am going to give it to a friend. So yes. The perfume, I really like this perfume. This is that question mark perfume. I forget what brand it, from Riddle, I think. And it's, I don't know. I like it, but my boyfriend doesn't like it, and his sister don't like it, so I'm pretty sure she said she didn't like it, and so I don't know, but I like it. It's like a nice fresh scent, and I don't mind it. I'd give it, well, I definitely wouldn't purchase it on my own. I would give it like a 4 out of 10, but I'm also just not really a perfume wearer, especially being migraine prone. So yeah. Alright, next we will talk about the mascara. This is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I really like this mascara. I've used it a lot now, and it's, I don't know, it's just as good as the Better Than Sex mascara, which I swore by. I don't know if they sell it anymore. By Too Faced, and I don't buy from Too Faced, so yeah, it's great. I would give it an 8 out of 10 for sure, definitely. Are the lip liners from EVO Beauty. These are great. I really do like them. They're a little bit on the dry side, but I feel like for lip liners, that's fine. That's not a big deal. I don't know. I'd probably give them like a 6 out of 10, but I'm not somebody who wears lip liners. They're really good though. Alright, and then let's talk about the OPV Beauty Spotlight palette. This is a miss for me. The shimmers are great. I really do think the shimmers, awesome formula for the shimmers. But the mattes, I'm just very disappointed in the mattes. And the number one ingredient on this palette, if I'm remembering correctly, is talc. So, I don't know. Like, it's not the greatest palette. I'm just going to be honest. Put it out there. I would give it a 6 or 7 out of 10. I love the color story. It looks so beautiful. The color story of this guy reminds me of the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. That's just the first thing I thought of. I really have no idea if they're really all that similar. Yeah, I'd say they're pretty similar. This is the Born to Run and this is the OPV Beauty. Very similar color stories. I'm so sorry for all the noise. But yes, I would use this one any day over this one. So this is like a 6 out of 10. I'm going to say 6 out of 10. But yeah, I'll hang on to it. I'll keep trying it out. It's just, that's how I feel. That's how I feel. Alright, next we have the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 palette. I do really like this palette. It's so blendable. The colors are so pretty. They perform really well. I mean, I really could not run out of good things to say about this palette. This palette is great. I really like it. I give it a 9 out of 10, and honestly, I'm thinking of purchasing the first one because this one was so good. So, yeah, that is it for all my little mini reviews for now. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. It's just a quick little video reviewing the stuff that I had in my to review drawer. Now I have more things in that drawer from the BoxyCharm month of from this month's BoxyCharm. So hopefully I can get those reviewed for you as well. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.